Hello everyone. Do you lose everything after closing your laptop? I had the same problem, but I fixed it with one setting. Every time I closed my laptop to go outside, I would come back and all my browsers and files were gone. If I did not save a document, it was lost forever. Now I show you the step-by-step solution, how I fixed this, and I am happy with these settings. Just click on this start menu, right here control panel, open your control panel, go to the hardware and sound, then click on power option and go to choose what the power button do. Just click on change setting that are currently unavailable. If you did not often use this option Hibernate, then it will be unchecked. But you should check this Hibernate option. Click on this, just save change. Now check it from the here. Click on start menu, click the far, and here you can see a option Hibernate. Now check another way. Just click on choose what the far button, change setting, unmark this Hibernate, and save change. Start menu, go to far option. Here you can say no Hibernate option is here. Now go to again here and check mark this Hibernate, save change. Check this from here, you can see a option Hibernate. If you hover on Hibernate, here notification turns off the PC, but apps stay open. When the PC is turned on, you are back to where you left off, and it's very useful for me. Now, when I close my laptop, it hibernates and keeps everything exactly how I left it. No more lost work. Try it and tell me if it works for you. Thank you very much.